Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm Suzie and I create contents about work from home, self-development and productivity. But right now, I'm currently making a video series about the technical stuff that you need to learn if you want to become a virtual assistant. So it's more on tutorials and how to use softwares, tools and applications for a virtual assistant. So if you are thinking, or if you have a friends or relatives that are thinking na mag-work from home na sila or mag-shift na sila from a corporate job, or if you're an OFW, or if you are a student and if you want to start working from home na, so I guess this video series is for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button down below so that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to join my Facebook group, I'm Ready to Boss Up by BritxSui, because I will be checking your outputs there, because this video is not just purely a video lang. You will have to do something on it, or you have to create your own version of it, and you have to follow some instructions para makita nyo talaga or ma-actualize nyo talaga yung mga ituturo ko sa inyo. As what I have learned sa mga entrepreneurs, na knowledge is just knowledge and it's useless if hindi nyo na-implement yung mga natutunan nyo. So, I recommend and I advise na kung meron kayong knowledge na bagong natutunan or meron kayong mga bagong learnings, you implement it directly, agad-agad, para maging useful naman yung natutunan nyo. It doesn't matter if 24/7 kayo nagkukonsume ng mga valuable contents but no application. It's just useless. So right now, this video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a resume and a curriculum vitae, and how you are going to use it, when you are going to use it, anong difference nila. But I think I will cut this video into two. The first video is the resume, and the next video would be the curriculum vitae, because I think it would be so long if isahin ko siya. So yeah, if you like to learn about that, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I want to discuss is that what's the difference between the resume and the curriculum vitae. So basically, a resume is this short and concise document that has a brief overview of your work history. And curriculum vitae or CV is ito yung may in-depth na siya na explanation, or nakalagay na doon yung in-depth about your work history. Yung may mga job, nakalagay na yung job responsibilities mo, ano yung result ng work mo, yung mga ganun. For this video, I'm going to teach you first on how to create a resume using Canva. So the next question is, kailan nyo ba gagamitin yung resume at saka yung CV? So yung resume, ginagamit ko siya every time na mag-a-apply ako ng job, or every time na nabibira ako ng project. So yung resume lang yung sinasend ko, but I indicated sa cover letter ko that if you need a more in-depth description about my job responsibilities, then just message me directly so that I can send my CV to you. So that's my technique. And mostly kasi gusto lang nila yung brief overview lang, hindi na yung super detail. So for the resume, typically, yung nakalagay lang dyan is yung name mo, full name mo, and also your title, your contact information. For the contact information, basically, the Skype ID, email address, your contact phone number, and your website as well. And the skills, the softwares, the applications, the tools that you have used already, and of course, your work history, and the link of your portfolio. So, sometimes nilalagay pa nila yung education background. But for me, I'm not putting it na anymore, yung educational background ko, because most of my clients, or most yung mga binibidan ko ng projects, or yung ina-applyan ko ng job, is not a local, hindi siya local na clients, more on foreign clients. So, hindi din naman nila malalaman kung gaano ba ka-popular yung school ko, yung parang sa kanila, for them, educational background is not that high priority na malaman, kasi hindi naman nila alam yung mga schools natin dito. But before, I'm going to hop on my computer. Mag-grocery muna kami, and I think magbe-bake daw kami, sabi ng twin sister ko. So, hope you guys enjoy this video clips first. And yeah, see you later. short vlog that we did with my twin sister. And right now I'm going to hop into my computer, or should I say my laptop, so that I can share my screen to you and you can follow the step-by-steps on how to create a resume using Canva. Hello, so you are currently seeing my screen right now. And as for this one, you have to have an account sa Canva. So, madali lang naman mag-sign up. You can just click the sign up button here at the top right. And then, sign up ka lang with your Google account or with your Facebook account. But for me, I already have an account here. So, I will just click log in with Google. And then, this one. Okay, so cool. So, I'm currently logging right now. So, you will just type here, resume. At marami kayong pwedeng pilian ng mga templates. So, it depends sa inyo kung ano yung template na gusto nyo. For me, I like a very clean template lang. Nakakita na ako kanina. I will just go through here para makita nyo rin yung iba. And actually guys, you don't have to copy kung ano yung pinili ko. It depends kung ano yung taste mo, ano yung feel mo, ano yung personality mo. Magdidepende kasi yun yung ipipick mo na template based sa mga nagustuhan mo. And marami siyang magaganda dito. Like, gusto ko yung something na may ganito. Pero, I don't like a color. And for me, it's very, parang makalat siya. And meron ding ganito. Ang dami kong gusto dito, actually. Pero yung mga simple lang. Meron din ganito, super simple, no need picture. This one is cute as well. Again ha, it depends on you kung ano yung pipilian mo. Gusto ko to. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. I will just create a new page here. Gusto ko din tong isa. Saan na yun? Here. So, gusto ko siya. I think this one is really simpler than this one. Ito na lang. I will choose this one. And let's start. So right now, change ko muna first yung picture. So, click the picture and then delete. And may na-upload na ako na picture ko here. You can also upload by clicking this one. Upload video, upload image or video, and you can choose kung ano yung gusto nyong i-upload. But I've already uploaded mine. And I'll just put it there. Ito. And then sometimes meron na siyang something like this. You can just drag this one here at automatic na siya nag-fit in. Pero ito, wala siyang nakalagay na doon kaya I have to resize. Just don't resize it na pa ganyan kasi nawawala yung picture. Of course, I will change the name, and the problem is I have a very long name. Let's see. So, I think I need to liitan siya. Ganyan na lang. Liitan ko na lang siya. You can change the size here at the top. So, ano ko lang siya. Makikita mo kasi yung alignment niya. Yan. This one, I'll put digital marketing / and then this one, all about me. You can, para mas klaro sa'yo, you can adjust the size to 100 para mas klaro sa'yo. So, I've already prepared na the contents that I'm going to put here. Dito, change ko lang siya nito. So basically, yung ilalagay mo sa all about me is the pitch that you have. Basically, isusulat mo kung ano yung magagawa mo, your service to your clients, prospect clients, kung sino yung mga prospect clients mo, at kung ano yung benefit na makukuha nila sa'yo kung i-hire ka nila, at kung paano mo ibibigay yung service mo. Like for me, I help business owners. So, yung target ko, business owners, influencers, and entrepreneurs to level up their online presence and revenue through my knowledge about digital marketing techniques and strategies. So, ganon. Just a very simple one-liner lang. One-liner lang. Okay, so for the accomplishments, you can put something in this part. I would prefer to change this one here. Contacts. Contact info. Lagyan mo ng number mo. I will not put my number here sa tutorial. Lagay ko lang siya ng ganun. But you can definitely change this part here. Like for me, page.com, this one. And then, sometimes, or most of the time, sali ko na lang yung IG account ko. BritxSui. Core skills. Parang ang dami kong ilalagay dyan. Yung accomplishments, ang ilalagay ko dito is portfolio links. So, yung portfolio links ko, personal links, profile, Upwork profile. Dito kasi, pwede nilang mag-click yung mga ano mo. Upwork. This is my Upwork profile. And then, I will not include my website anymore. Agency account. My agency account. Because we can change. And then my YouTube channel. So yeah, you can also create a Bitly account so that you can shorten the link. Bitly. I have an account na here, so I think I will just plug it in here. Kasi meron akong account nito. Oops. So if you are creating a link, sample this one, I will just copy or cut na lang. Tapos, create a link here and paste the long URL. And then, ito na yung ano. Wait, gusto ko siyang Suzie Upwork. Suzie. Okay. So, yan na yung ano natin. And then this is for the Upwork agency. And then create again. Tapos change natin yung bossed up PH. Copy. And then, lagay na naman natin dito. Okay. So, that's that. So, yan. Dito tayo. Marami kasi akong skills na ilalagay. SEO, Google Analytics, Trend Marketing, Web Content, Copywriting. Wala ako nito. Hindi ako nagka-copyright. Corporate blogging, no. Layout design. Yung iba. Hayaan ko na lang because I do that as well. Ito yung mga software and application skills set. Social media management, project management. Yeah, project management. So, lagay natin dito, YouTube, IG. Wala na ang G+. So, ganito. Most likely, guys, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung ilalagay nyo dito na part sa skills. But don't worry, just always make sure na you have the link. You have the link on this para you can update it from time to time na maituro ako sa inyo. And ito education background. Ayoko na ito isali. So, ito, gusto ko siya i-delete. Delete as a group. The reason why na nilagay ko sa portfolio link ko yung Upwork ko kasi ang dami kong portfolio doon. Yun na yung ginawa ko. Kung wala kayong portfolio or Upwork link na doon yung ina-upload, I would highly recommend that even i-upload nyo lang siya sa G Drive, yung mga ginawa nyo, and put it here on Bitly para hindi mas mataas. And then, that would be okay na as portfolio nyo. And here, so our experience, I have a list here. Actually, this is not updated, but ang dami kong projects na gusto ko ilagay. Isa-isahin natin siya. Stock terrain. Lagay natin dito. So, ito, delete na natin yan. And make it ungroup para hindi siya lahat lumalaw. And yung mga ganito, always make sure to include their website, if ever, para matingnan ng client yung whole website. Ito, as you can see, very brief lang, di ba? It's not the same with the others na parang detailed na sobra. Kasi yung gagawin natin next time, yun yung sobrang detail. Yung may mga job responsibilities na ilalagay. Mga ganun. So, for now, just a list of all the things na work nyo na. And, yeah. So, I will just do this and I will get back to you after. So, yeah, I'm done. And, ganyan lang siya kasimple gawin. And, yeah, kung wala kayong portfolio pa, you can link your reference, yung reference nyo kung sino yung pwedeng kontakin about sa the way how you work, pwede din yun. And yung skills nyo, just always make sure na dapat meron kayong editable file nito. Para anytime you can change the text and update everything in here kung nag-change man kayo. And yeah, you can download it here. Download and then print and then make sure only yung one page lang. And then download. So if you have any questions about this, please message me on my IG account or just comment down below sa video na to or message me sa Facebook group natin. So yeah, that's how you are going to make a one-pager CV or what they call resume. Okay, so how you are going to share this one to our Facebook group. So what you are going to do, please change your name here first. Let's put Britxsui S resume. And then that's that. And I will click here, share. I will just going to share a link to view and then copy the link. Ito yung gawin nyo. Share a link to view and then copy. And then lagay nyo dito. Research nyo lang, I'm ready to bust up by BritxSui. Ito. And then dito sa units, may makikita kayong one unit, creating a resume using Canva. Just click that one. And then, here, meron kayong makikitang picture na ganito. Just comment. Naglagay na ako ng isa. I'll just delete this one. This is for sample, guys. And then, yep, that's that. And, boom. That's it. So, yan lang. I will just delete this one first. Kasi baka makita na nung mga nasa loob ng Facebook group. Yes, Facebook group. So now, that's that. Please don't hesitate to share your output so that I can help you kung anong kailangan idagdag at kung anong kailangan i-remove whatsoever. So hope you like that tutorial for today. So my next video would be how you are going to create your curriculum vitae using Google template. So if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button down below, and also don't forget to follow me on my IG account at BritxSui. So you can message me there if you have any questions, or you can just say hi, and I would love to connect with you there as well. Bye!